Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your image into Renaissance avatar in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva app, then you can go to the apps and click on AI powered. Now you can scroll down, make sure you have a good internet connection and try to search Renaissance avatar. Transform into a work of Renaissance art. So elevate your profile with unique avatar in the style of 15th century European fine art. So here may be limited for image with multiple or non-human faces. So you can start by click use in new design. Here you have to choose file, upload your image or select one in your design to create this avatar. Maximum file size is 10 MB. So generating your avatar, please wait, this may take a few seconds. And this is the result you can add to the design. So this is the Renaissance art of my avatar. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the next button below. See you in the next video.